One TV special report.
Thank you to our AMOFCA or Asenso Misamis Occidental Federated Chess Association Treasurer, our MC, Madam Jennifer Tito. Our respect and acknowledgement to our working governor, our sponsor, represented here by the chairman of the ASEAN Plus Individual Chess Championship, Brother Stephen Sian Darial. And to our host for this year as the chess capital of the Philippines or Mindanao, thankful to Attorney Mayor Sam Norman Fuentes, represented here by Attorney Francis Ulita III. Daghang kay salamat, Attorney. And of course, to our always supported Congressman Ando Waminal and Congressman Indy Waminal, and to the National Chess Federation of the Philippines, particularly to the chairman, Congressman Butch Pichay, and NCFP Executive Director, Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez. For all you know, this is the first time in Mindanao that all events of the National Chess Federation of the Philippines are being hosted by one city or province, Misamis City and Misamis Occidental. So fellow chess players, parents, friends from the media, guests, maayong buntag sa tanan. Buntag. Oy, kato mga chess player, usap mong pakpakpin, o mga hinay kayo na pinakpakan, maayong buntag sa tanan. At this is our Philippine Chess Elimination for the World Chess Olympiad in Uzbekistan or Mindanao League. So this is the dream of most of the players na ma-appeal yun sa Olympiad. So this is your chance, and we are given the chance. We are given the big opportunity, labi na sa mga dugol, kay naka-host ang Misamis City, the first for Misamis, the first for the province, and even the first for Northern Mindanao. So kani usami sa upat ka buok nga gi-host ni Governor Henry Waminal o ang province ug ang LGU Misamis. So kani may una October 4 and 5 para Chess Olympiad, ikaduha karon October 18-19 para ma-member sa Philippine team or mainstay sa Philippine team for another 2 to 3 years. Na ikatulo, kana na first for not only Mindanao but for the Philippines, kita mag-host sa ASEAN Plus Individual Chess Championship, wherein 11 countries ASEAN plus the friends of the Asian Chess Confederation or 23 countries. So magpaabot tag 100 ka foreigners karon November 2 to 10 diri sa Misamis City or Misamis Occidental. Sa giingon ni Grandmaster Jason, ilan ning suporta po sa NCAP, suporta sa mission and vision ni Governor Henry Waminal. Kay luoy ang Mindanao, wala pagi maski usa ka Grandmaster. Wa gani tay mahulog nga champion sa Pilipinas from Mindanao. So this is our chance. Kunya gikuha sa province tanan events for the year. Kitay mag-host not only for Usami City, for Misamis Occidental, for Mindanao, but para po naagyoy taga Mindanao na mahimong Grandmaster o ma-champion sa Pilipinas. So taas ang atong paglantaw, unta, suportahan nato tanan, ug kamo, dako kayong oportunidad sa inyo. In my youth, I was also motivated to play chess, although varsity play ako sa high school, sa college. In short, libre kong eskwela tungo sa chess. Pero ang motivation yun, nga mahimong member sa Philippine Olympic Team. So, laway ko kang Grandmaster Jason katulo siya, ako zero. So, karon senior citizen ako, kaysa chess wa may age limit, wa may restriction. Ambition magyapon ta, mag-aspire gyapon na ma-member sa Olympic team. Basi sa sunod, di ba? So, kamo, ihatod na sa inyong opportunity na diri sa Usamis. So, wala na rason. Mapasalamat kaayo mo nga gihatod na sa inyo para mo ma-member sa Philippine team. So, unta, ang tanan members ng Philippine team, uno man na ang makadula yun plus reserve, yung talang 12. Unta, tanan product or products sa Usami City, Misamis Occidental, elimination, Philippine team elimination for the Olympiad. So, ako lang balikon ang pinaka-importante sa 4 international and national events para po mo makahinumdom yun mo balik o inyo yun tagaan ng panahon. Ang pinaka-importante ang ASEAN Plus Individual Chess Championship karon November 2 to 10, 2025. Originally, ang venue sa Amurab or the Maldives o Mindanao. Karon dili maapas dinhita sa City Gym, Osamis City. So again, thank you all for joining this tournament. Thank you for the participation. Thank you for coming or welcome to Usami City, Misamis Occidental. May your stay, may your participation will be memorable and pleasurable one. And in the slogan of FIDE, or the World Chess Organization, Gens Una Somos, or the Greek term of we are one family, we are community and brotherhood. Daghan kayong salamat.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Arena Grandmaster, National Master, and NCFP Director, Ray Herbistondo.
awarding of winners, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the leaders and organizations who made this event possible. Our strong supporter of sports and youth development, the visionary governor of Misamis Occidental, Governor Henry S. Waminao. The city government of Misamis City led by our Mayor Sam Norman Fuentes. And of course, the National Chess Federation of the Philippines, along with our arbiters, tournament directors and officials, represented by Grandmaster Jason Gonzalez. Of course, our hardworking coaches, parents, and players who gave their best over the board. Moreover, ladies and gentlemen, we would also like to inform everyone that while today is the selection for the semifinals toward the World Chess Olympiad, we'd also like to highlight the upcoming national elimination on November 18 to 19. No registration fee is required, and the prize is, of course, a chance to be part of the Philippine team. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, tonight we take pride in celebrating the hard work and achievement of our Mindanao players. We begin our awarding ceremony by recognizing all participants. Whether you won or lost, you are all champions for taking part of this journey. Now let's start with the winners in the women's division. But may we request division? Survey. Ma'am Armenta, our chief arbiter, and deputy arbiter. Okay, let's have the 70th placer. We have Yongod Quenimay from Ozamis City.
Bagis.
16th placer, we have Banaat Queen Angela from Cagayan de Oro City. Once again, we have the 16th placer, Banaag Queen Angela from Cagayan de Oro City. After you receive the prize, please see Sir Alan Saliba for the signing of the payroll. May I call on Yungod Quinimay to please see Sir Alan Saliba for the signing of the payroll. Queenie May. Alright, 15th placer, we have Templa Jaimika from Hingoog City.
Ano sa dito? Ayaw, pirma. Kung magkuha dito, ayaw. Ayaw. Wala kayo mag-pirma ko na.
14th placer, Pepito Princess Jesha from Ozam, Tangum City. Discipulo Jayan Angelique from Iligan City. Twelfth placer, Valdehueza Precious Bibilu from Ozamis City. Eleventh placer, Lucas Arabenis of Tangub City. Please proceed to Sir Alan. 10th placer, Templar Russian Faith of Hingoog City. Once again, 10th placer, Templar Russian Faith of Hingoog City. 9th placer is from Dipolog City, Magallanes Princess Reign. 8th placer, Matugas Eunice of Cagayan de Oro City. Seventh placer, Tadeo Cassandra Day of Maramag, Bukidnon. Sixth placer, Pagar Gisha Athena of Iligan. Perdida Jayana Marie of Azamin City. Fourth placer, Wizon Richely Evans of Cagayan or Miss Misamis Oriental. Once again, fourth placer, we have Wizon Richely Evans of Misamis Oriental. Third placer, Kobe Charlene of Cagayan de Oro City. Second placer, Arado Zaira May of Balingasag, Ozamis Oriental. One more time, second placer, we have Arado Zaira May of Balingasag, Misamis Oriental. And the champion of the women's division, we have, ladies and gentlemen, AFM Terry Janine Drake from Baliguan, Misamis Oriental. We would like to call on Kerikeri Janine Drake, Arado Zaira May, Kobe Charlene, Wizon Richely Evans, and Perdida Jayana Marie for the photo opportunity. Please come here in front. Once again, may we call on the first to fifth place to come here in front for the photo opportunity. Kerry, Arado, Kobe, Quizon, Bernica. Fourth placer, we have Quizon Richely. Where is Quizon?
5 inch.
Sir Quizon. Okay, congratulations. Now let's proceed with the men's division. Starting with the 30th place. 30th place is Potong Edmond Virgilio of Don Victoriano, Misamis Occidental. Linondo Vendor of Manolo Portage, Bukidnon. Once again, 29th placer, Linondo Vendor of Bukidnon. We have AFM Magallanes Rances Marco of Dipolog City. 27th placer, Ubane Nazario of Cagayan de Oro City. Baba Gilbert of Azamis City. Placer, Mimbarano Azrael Jacob of Iligan. Fuentes Mardonio of Ozamis City. Arapo Paul Benedict of Ozamis City. Once again, 23rd placer, we have Arapo Paul Benedict of Ozamis City. 22nd placer, Barredo Wilson of Iligan City. st placer, we have Lorno Archilos of Ozamis City. 20th placer, we have AGM Ablin Julius Dan Agustin of Iligan City. Once again, 20th placer, we have AGM Ablin Julius Dan Agustin of Iligan City. Placer, we have Guy Ramon Brad Kent of Cagayan de Oro City. Once again, 19th placer, we have Guy Ramon Brad Kent of Cagayan de Oro City. Placer, Ambuang Michael Jackson of Dipolog City. Placer, we have AIM Lapad Mikael Jaramil of Laguindingan, Misamis Oriental. Once again, 17th placer, we have AIM Lapad Mikael Jaramil of Laguindingan, Misamis Oriental. 16th placer, Saludsod Carlo of Ozamis City. Once again, 16th placer, we have Saludsod Carlo of Ozamis City. 15th placer, Roy Roa Ronald of Ozamis City. 15th placer is Roy Roa Ronald of Ozamis City. 14th placer, Arena Candidate Master Ikalina Navi of Gaviria, Misamis Oriental. 14th placer, ACM Ikalina Navi of Misamis Oriental. 13th placer, Pitos Aranjan of Oroqueta City. 13th placer, we have Pitos Aranjan of Oroqueta City. 12th placer, Boris Clint of Salay, Misamis Oriental. 12th placer, Boris Clint of Salay, Misamis Oriental. 11th placer, Manguban Chudor Francis of Dipolog City. 10th placer, Mendoza Vivencio Jr. of Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte. 9th placer, Tabamo Casi Miguel of Balay-Balay City. 8th placer, Mabaylan June of Iligan City. 8th placer, Mabaylan June of Iligan City.
Tama ta?
7th placer, Suigo Seth David of Zamboanga City. 7th placer, Suigo Seth David of Zamboanga City. Top 10, please stay and do not go home yet for photo opportunity later. Sixth placer, we have Malyare Emmanuel of Polanco, Zamboanga del Norte. 6th placer, Malyare Emmanuel of Polanco, Zamboanga del Norte. Garzano Johnny Willem of Tangub City. Fourth placer, Quempero Rinaldo Jr. of Ozamis City. Third placer, Canios Dwayne Vincent of Balinguan, Misamis Oriental. Once again, third placer, Canios Dwayne Vincent of Balinguan, Misamis Oriental. Second place, we have Ryan Clem of Talisayan, Misamis Oriental. Second place, we have Ryan Clem of Talisayan, Misamis Oriental. And the champion for the Philippine National Elimination Men's Division, we have Ilargit Adrian I from Marama, Bukidnon. Top 5 or top 10? Okay, top 5. May call on the top 5 winners. Please come here in front. We will have a photo op. Top 5 of men's division. If the 6th to 10th placers are still here, please come here also. And of course, including the arbiters, top 10 and the arbiters. If the top 10 players are still here, please come in front. Arbiters, you may also join. Five hands.
Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3.
There you have it. To all our participants and winners, congratulations. Good evening, everyone, and mabuhay ang Philippine Chess.